texture I'm looking for. You can see that the machine have already distributed the look, and yeah guys, I'm there. So it's very lovely guys, it's really look pure. Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. Friend, thank you so much friends for watching. If this is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for watching. In today's video guys, I want to share with you how you can make your affordable mint ice cream. This is all the ingredients I'm going to be using. In today's video, I'm going to be using fresh cream. If you can get any brand you want, this is Irish fresh cream. I'm going to be using 500 milligram of Irish cream, and I'm going to be using condensed milk. Guys, you can use condensed milk or you can exclude it. You can actually use evaporated milk. I really want to use evaporated milk with fresh milk. The reason why I'm short of sugar, so I'm going to exclude this. So I'm going to be using condensed milk because when I use condensed milk, I don't need sugar. Okay, this provide a lot. The sugar that is gonna be enough for me. So guys, we're only going to use 2 ingredients. You might be wondering what is this. This is mint chocolate. Beside, let me share it with you. So this is all the ingredients we're going to be using. So any topping I'm going to be topping is just optional. So the main ingredient, the main foundation is just only these 2 ingredients. All right, okay. If you are living in Africa, you're going to be using your evaporated milk. If you can't get access to get fresh milk, or you double evaporated milk. Okay, so that is just the difference. You double this because it depends how many of you family you're gonna get, like 3 to 4 evaporated milk. Okay, you can't mix it with water because it's not going to be double, if you know what I mean. So you're going to double your evaporated milk, and you can include this if you don't really want sugar. But if you're going to be using sugar, you don't need this. But if you can have access with Irish cream or any brand of fresh milk, this should be enough for you. This will just make it milky and just different taste entirely. I'm going to go right. So guys, let's dive. Please guys, if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button. Help us to share this video with your friends. So we have to pour the whole container. The next step is going to be peppermint. This one is concentrate peppermint and is food one. All right, so we're going to be using teaspoon of peppermint. So so much fun. So teaspoon of peppermint, condensed milk, and I'm going to be using 397 grams of condensed milk, guys. So I'm going to use everything. To make it green. You can exclude this, but because it's mint, so I just love it to just give it a little bit of color. You can make it concentrate as well, but I'm going to be using teaspoon of the food color. So you can do the same thing. You can use 2 teaspoons of color, equivalent of 1 tablespoon of food color, to just give it a color. So if you want less color, you can use only tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. So guys, it's cold, it's good to go. You leave it to cool a little bit. So guys, try it and let me know. I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to say or what I'm looking for here, but just try to watch my video and you will know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to distribute the mint, because sometimes if you use only the mint solution, I don't really feel the mint. But this particular chocolate, the way I'm making it, I feel the mint ice cream taste. So distribute this a little bit. I don't want the mint to be in a one part and You are not, by doing this, you're going to feel the mint. You're going to taste real mint. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to use my chocolate chips. So you can add any topping you want at this point, okay? So you can go ahead and do the same. Like to add some coconut, a little bit of layer to just allow the kids to love it. So I always try as much as possible to really make it nice for my children. So I put different layers. So this is coconut. So you can get yourself coconut, the blended one. So you can do the same thing. So my children love my ice cream, so I put they love mint chocolate with coconut. It's very lovely, guys. Just try to do the same thing and let me know what you think. Do you like it? So and I'm going to go ahead again and I'm going to put another topping. So guys, you can do something similar. Let me know how do you make your own. So it's very cheap to make it at home, and you know you make it yourself. Coconut on top, any flavor you want. I just make it simple. Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is the following day, guys. This is how the ice cream look like. The kids, they're awake. You might be hearing funny noise. They're just awake because of the ice cream. So I just want to, this is how it looks. This is the smallest one, if you guys remember. And this is the fuller one. So this is how your mint ice cream is gonna look. And yeah, guys, I'm going to show you guys. I might just close this. We are going to have this later. I just want to show you guys how it looks like. And this is it, guys. There's nothing new. You guys, you know how we used to scoop our ice cream, guys. So that is the smallest one, guys. So guys, let me know what you think. This is Sunday morning. I just want to show you guys how it's going to look like. So guys, this is the end of the video. Guys, please let me know what you think, guys. If you really like the ice cream mint, I want to see your comments. Okay, this one is ice cream, mint ice cream. If you like the mint ice cream, guys, I want to know. Please leave the comments below.